hospital management information system which we have. And the basic idea is the government spends a lot of resources on the hospitals in terms of man money and other resources. So obviously we want the best out of it. So we are using HMIS as a way to improve the satisfaction of our people with hospital services.
Every patient who comes to our hospital gets certain minimum level of hospital care and medical care. And for that we have used IT application as a major technology tool.
એક વર્ષ પહેલાં હું અહીંયા આવ્યો તો કેસ કઢાયો હતો, પછી કેસ પેપર ખોઈ ગયા હતા. પછી એક વર્ષ પછી આવ્યા તો મારું નામ આપ્યું, એ બારી ઉપરથી કેસ કાઢી આપ્યો.
મને મેડમે કહ્યું કે બ્લડ ટેસ્ટ લેબોરેટરીમાં કરી આવો. મેં લેબોરેટરી ટેસ્ટ બ્લડ ટેસ્ટ કરાવેલું અને ડાયરેક્ટ કોમ્પ્યુટર મારફતે મેડમને મળી ગયા છે.
રોજની અહીં 200થી 300 બ્લડ ટેસ્ટની એન્ટ્રી ડૉક્ટર પાસેથી કરવાની અહીં આવે છે, જેની અમે રિઝલ્ટ્સ સાંજે 5 વાગ્યા પહેલાં કોમ્પ્યુટરમાં નાખી દઈએ છીએ, જે ડૉક્ટર પોતાની કેબિનમાં બેસી અથવા વોર્ડમાં બેસી જોઈ શકે છે.
The data on hospitals, what kind of patients are coming to the hospital? Are our doctors properly trained for that? All our nurses properly trained for that? Do they have the requisite diagnostic tools, the laboratory tools to deal with those patients? Are those kind of medicines going to those patients, depending on the patient profile?
We get a complete record of the patient. It helps us to see any record at any time. It helps us in even writing a prescription, which is beneficial to doctor as well as to the patient.
Every district has got one civil hospital. There are such 18 civil hospitals. We have 6 medical colleges. Along with medical colleges, there are teaching hospitals attached to it. We have covered all of them in the network of hospital management information system.
We have got certain reports generated in it. We have got a daily dashboard by which, as an administrator, I can see online activities that are happening in the hospital. I come to know about the comparison of patients, whether the OPD and indoors are heavy today, what excess manpower I would like to have in OT, looking to the OT list. So these are informations available for daily management.
And there are also triggers and alerts which helps us in projecting our hospital needs, which can be further given to the state or higher authorities, which helps us in getting budget for better functioning of the hospital.
After HMIS, the financial working of my hospital has become very easy. Previously, it was a very tedious job for our employees, especially office employees, because they have to prepare everything manually, and it was a very tedious and time consuming.
Another very important thing is the area of its jurisdiction. It gets a better control and better monitoring so far as disease monitoring is concerned.
Now we have been able to find out which are the diseases most prevalent and most common in certain areas, and we have taken care. And the government is also concentrating on reducing the prevalence of certain diseases because of having this statistical analysis and comparative data of different hospitals.
The government spends almost 600 billion rupees on drugs, various kinds of drugs. Today we just buy standard drugs and send them to various places. Now through this system we can actually tie up what kind of drugs, how much, where, depending on the patient load. So the drug supply is more focused according to the needs of that hospital.
हमको कंप्यूटर में ये फ़ायदा होता है कि जब भी पेशेंट आता है तो वो जो दवाई हमको आती है वो स्टॉक ऑटोमेटिक मेंटेन हो जाता है, और तो हमको जब भी मंगानी पड़ती है तो स्टॉक में देखना नहीं पड़ता. और दूसरी जो शॉर्ट एक्सपायरी होती है दवाई वो भी बता देती है, एक्सपायर होने से पहले हमें उनका यूज़ कर देते हैं, और जिसको ज़रूरत हो तो दूसरी डिस्पेंसरी वालों को वो उनको बेच देते हैं जो इधर ज़्यादा हो. तो
We've been working basically with Tata Consulting Service. I believe they have been supported.
For the first time we saw the government's willingness to adopt a platform as against seeking a bespoke effort. So that actually compressed the implementation time, that provided a robust platform across, and most importantly brought in uniform practices. So in the instance of public service delivery of health, we have chosen the Microsoft stack of technology to build our platform.
Microsoft is very committed towards healthcare, primarily because that is one of the key initiatives of the Government of India, as well as a part of the Millennium Development Goals that has been charted out for the country and the world as a whole. Now, if you look at the government healthcare status today, from the time a patient walks into a government hospital to the time that he walks out. We are looking at how can ICT ease out that whole process.
This is something which we are doing for the country. We are the kind of guinea pig. But once we show that this works, Gujarat shows that this works, makes a difference, provides better services, makes sure that the public resources are used effectively, makes sure the doctor's work is facilitated, doctor's time is used more appropriately. It will be a ready model for the whole country to pick up and adopt.